I think what a lot of us Minnesotans don't really admit too much is that we're kind of harboring a lot of anxiety during the winter months. We all talk, oh, you gotta have grit. We're a hardy bunch up here. But the thing is, we're secretly terrified. There's so many things that can go wrong and break down when it's cold, from your car, stuff around the windows, the pipes freezing, the pump on the furnace, just weird stuff that you can worry about when it's really cold, dying in general, let alone traffic and stuff. People, there's a lot of stress just getting to work in the morning. If you're from a small town in northern Minnesota, in the winters, a lot of people, they got to drive from 30, 40 minutes away from their jobs. They might live in LaPorte and drive to Bemidji, work at the school or something. So they got to get up, start their pickup or their car or whatever. And they live in the middle of the woods, take a dirt road to get to the highway, which may or may not be plowed. And then drive. And people have a little bit of security. It's like, well, if I go in the ditch or get hit by somebody who's driven out of control, I at least have a cell phone. But, but nobody complains. They just kind of get to work and, well, it's 30 below. Let's go to work and act like we're not totally feeling like, oh, okay, I hope my car doesn't freeze up and then me freeze up. I hope I don't die. It's a life and death situation getting to and from work today. But I'll be Minnesota nice about it all. Ooh. Still, you can just feel it in the air in the spring. When the weather breaks, people are nicer to each other suddenly. Less crabby. More forgiving, no, you first. Don't have a blinker? No problem. I knew you were turning there. But in the winter, everyone hates each other. Okay, all right. Baby doll, you ready to get started? Am I ready to get started? Yeah, I'm ready to get started. All right. BOOZHOO! Gakina! Hello, everybody. And welcome back to the show.
Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE, language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. To speak OJIBWE. G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in OJIBWE. Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO!
Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast
about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Sometimes it snows in April. Don't forget, every year it snows in April. If you're from Minnesota, you sometimes forget that. We get like real optimistic and we go, hey, well, doesn't spring start in March? Kinda. But don't forget, every year it snows in April. He would have stayed so strong. La 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 la. Still staring at his picture, I realize. That was a song about grief. Sometimes it snows in April. Prince had a friend pass away. I think the lyrics are something like, Tracy died soon after I had wiped away his last tear, just after a long-fought civil war. I always wondered what the story was behind that. It was a really sad song, though. Sometimes it snows in April. Sometimes I wish that life was never ending, but all good things, they say, never last. Love isn't love until it's past. Is it past or had? I guess it means the same thing. Love isn't love until it's had. It's not even love until you've had love, you know. But sometimes you don't even know that it was love until it's past, until a person died, and you go, wow, did I love that person? I didn't even know. I didn't even know how in love I was until my cat died. You know, I loved my cousin or whoever. Love. Zaga. Zaga. Edwin. To love. What do you love? When's the last time you took a inventory and just started writing down things you love? What do you love? Well, let's see. I love cold beer. Put that on the list. I love, you know. In Mexico, well, what do you mean by love? I love peanut butter sandwiches. No. That's not what we're talking about. It's a much shorter list of real love. Who do you love? It'd be easier to write who you don't love. It's less embarrassing. You wouldn't want to tell everybody who you love that you actually love them.